keto diet, I will be eating some chia seeds. And why is that? Because they have 5 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, and 2.5 grams of omega-3. Omega-3 is... Hello everyone, so today we are doing a chia pudding and I have a special guest with me today. Her name is... Can we say your real name or your nickname?
Nana.
Your nickname? Okay. Her name is Chimichurri. You want that name? Okay. So my special guest is Chimichurri, everyone. Yay! She's gonna be helping me today to make chia pudding. Why chia pudding? Because it's a healthy snack. It's a healthy way to start your breakfast. And she's gonna be trying it for the first time to see if she likes it or not.
Yes.
Okay, so the things that you need are, you're gonna need chia, you're gonna need almond milk, you're also gonna need some cinnamon, you're gonna need some cinnamon, and you're gonna need some cocoa powder. This is 0 sugars, you guys, so that's why I'm using this cocoa powder, because I am on a keto diet and this one does have 0 sugars. Okay. So another thing, you can add fruit to your chia pudding, and in this case I'm gonna add blueberries and banana. Now on a keto diet you want to have 0 sugars, but this is natural occurring sugar, so it's okay. As you guys can see here, we have our almond milk prepared and we have our spoons ready, because you do need a spoon, a container to pour your a cup of milk, and you're gonna stir all the ingredients together. So the first thing we're gonna add is this chia seed. So how much chia seed do you want? You want at least, let's see. You want 1/3 of a cup of chia seed. 1/3 of a cup. So I'm gonna say 1/3 is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. You want to do yours, Jasmine?
Yeah.
You're gonna need 6 of these, okay?
Okay.
Here, give me the spoon. Put that in there. Good. 1. This is 2.
2.
Good. Here. 3.
3.
Good job. 4.
4.
5.
5.
1 more.
1 more.
6.
6.
Good job, Jasmine. Okay, so we did 6 tablespoons of the chia seed, and this is what it looks like. So we're not mixing anything up yet. We're just gonna put all the ingredients in here first. Next ingredient we need is cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Or synonym. Synonym.
Oh.
Okay, so let's put the synonym. Now I'm gonna open the top up and we are gonna put 1 tablespoon of synonym. No. Of powder, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon as well. Trying to get it open here. So this is vegan, low fat. It's really good. Like if you have like that sugary craving of something sweet, but when the keto diet, you really can't have anything sweet. So this helps curb that that craving, honestly. Okay, add this cocoa.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah, add it. It's chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah, we're putting chocolate in there. Right here, look. Good job. Okay.
Banana?
Yeah, put the banana and the blueberries inside your chia pudding.
Yeah, I think.
Good. All of it, okay?
All of it?
Yeah, so you add half a banana and at least half a cup of the blueberries. So that's a cup of fruit. So you could choose whatever fruit you like. You like bananas?
Yeah, right here.
Who else likes bananas?
Right here.
Minions.
Yeah, Minnie.
Minions like bananas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, huh?
I'm eating banana. I took it.
Yeah. Okay, put everything in your cup, okay? All the fruit.
Apple?
Yeah, all the banana, all the blueberry. Okay?
Okay.
Then what you want to do while Jasmine is doing that, all you want to do is stir all the ingredients. You want to stir everything together.
Yeah, I like how you said that.
Stir everything.
Right here. Okay.
Look, show them right here. Show them. Say, look, everybody, chia pudding. Look, show them right here. Show them. Say, look, everybody, chia pudding.
Me? No, I took it. You know more? I will never. To do that today. No, man, I took it.
The consistency that you want. Okay? It's like a pudding. So.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunting, let's go hunting, let's go hunting. Let's go hunt! Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at